And Bosnia-Herzegovina is looking to make the earth move in a much more positive way in the World Cup rankings, taking on one of the hot tips for the Cup, the mighty Argentina. The score at half-time, Argentina is 1-up. Ben Hennessy is at the Bosnian HQ in Perth this morning. Ben, a few hardy souls there with you. They are 1-0 down after the first half, but how's the mood there?
Well, team, good morning from the Perth Bosnian Cultural Centre here in Perth, where there's been a few loyal fans who have turned out here this morning to watch their countrymen take on the might of Argentina and arguably the world's best player, Lionel Messi. Now, Bosnia-Herzegovina have been rated as a dark horse at this year's World Cup, qualifying on top of their group in qualifying stage. Things not quite going to plan at the moment. The second half has just started. It's 1-0 at the moment. Dean Majanic, the president of the Cultural Centre, is here with me. Dean, a great atmosphere here this morning from just a loyal few fans that have come out.
Oh, it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. We are proud of our community. We are proud of Australia. But we are, first of all, our community is a very good contributor to the Australian society. We contribute in every way we can, but in particular in soccer. We are very proud. We have BB United Soccer Club in Premier's League, Sunday League, and also we follow our country of origin, Bosnia-Herzegovina, and we, as we're watching right now, Bosnia-Herzegovina losing 1-0 at the moment. It's own goal, but at the end of the day, better side should win. And we are very thankful to Channel 9 and sports in particular to support us. Thank you for coming here. Thank you for capturing a very important part of Australian community. We are integrated part of Australian community. We are good contributors to the Australian community in every way, and we are proud to be Australians, as well as of our origin as Bosnians.
And just finally, can they make the comeback? Can they win the game?
Look, to be fairly objective, it's a big ask. It's a big ask for Bosnia. Well, I think from the point of view of quality of players, I think we can come back. We can come back. We have Jeko, we have players who play internationally, and we have this guy who runs soccer, who runs team of Bosnia-Herzegovina. He scored against Argentina 3 goals when he played for former Yugoslavia. Yeah. So we beat Argentina 3-0 in former Yugoslavia.
Very exciting here this morning. Fingers crossed they can come back and get it, Tim. World Cup, the second half has just started. Fingers crossed Bosnia can get back.
So we're getting a running commentary through the whole game. Looks like you've got a decent breakfast in front of you too there, mate. Thank you for that, Ben.
Come on, Bosnia. Big applause.